Hello everyone. Today for practice set 1.3 under the chapter similarity I am going to take example number 1 and 2. In the first example, in figure 1.55, angle ABC has measure 75 degree, angle EDC has measure 75 degree, and state which two triangles are similar by which test. Also write the similarity of these two triangles by proper one-to-one correspondence. So you can see in the diagram there are two triangles. Number one A B C. This triangle ABC, and the second triangle is I should call it as EDC. These two triangle ABC and EDC. Both this triangle ABC and the EDC, they contain one pair of common angle, angle C. And besides a pair of common angle, you are given angle B 75 degree, angle D 75 degree. So I am going to write a pair of triangle like BCA. Why did I start with BCA? In triangle BCA, I can begin my work from any end. But I know angle B and angle D, they are having same measure. So I will try to keep them at same place. Those who have same measure, those who are congruent. So in triangle BCA and triangle DCE, in this two triangle BCA, BCA and DCE, we are going to write BCA and DCE. We are going to write a pair of congruent element. Number one, we will write here angle B is congruent to the angle like angle angle D. Why these two angles are congruent? The two angles are congruent because each has measure like 75 degree, B and D. Then the second pair is going to be written. It is about a pair of common angle. Angle BCA is congruent to angle DCE. Why the two angles of C point are congruent? They are congruent because it is a pair of common angle. So this is a pair of common angle between the two triangles. And further we are going to state triangle BCA becomes similar to the triangle DCE by the test called as AA test, because two pair of angles are congruent here. Hence triangles are similar. And now it will be easy to state one-to-one correspondence between the two similar triangles. The one-to-one correspondence means the pair of vertices, proper pair of vertices which give us similarity relation between the two triangles. We are writing that pairing of the vertices. So one to one correspondence between, we are going to write now one to one correspondence between the two triangle. First I write here B point, C point and A point for the bigger triangle. So in the smaller triangle, I am going to take at the place of B, D point, C place will be written C, and at the place of A, E will be written. So when we arrange the pair of element at same place, that is known as one-to-one correspondence. So this is our answer number 1, but important, because if you understand this example of similarity, that two triangles similar, when we are applying a test like AA test, for AA test there should be two pair of congruent angles given. So one pair was given, angle B and angle D. They were congruent because of 75-degree measures. And the second pair, angle C. These two angles are congruent because angle C is common for both the triangle. So now the second example, let us study everyone. In this you find two triangle where sides are known. PQ is given 6, then QR is given 8, PR is given 10 in the first triangle. In second triangle LM is given 3, MN is given 4, LN is given 5. The question is, are these triangles similar? So the second example now for learning about similarity. I am going to divide now the sides which are corresponding to one another, means which can be paired. So PQLM, I am pairing them. So 6 upon 3. When I divide 6 and 3, it becomes 2. Now the second pair I am going to get here, that is QR and MN. So QR and MN, let us divide them. QR is given 8, MN is given 4. The division of them become 2. And the last ratio, it is about PR and LN. So in order to obtain PR and LN, let us write their number 10 and 5. It becomes 2. All three ratios are same, having same number like 2. So I can write the two triangle in triangle PQR and the second triangle is LMN. In these two triangles, there are three corresponding say ratios which are equal. Number one, PQ upon LM. This is the first ratio of corresponding side. The second ratio QR and MN, and the third ratio is PR and LN. The three ratios are equal to one another because they have same number like 2 after their calculation. So PQR becomes similar to the triangle LMN if three ratios are congruent equal. We call the test of similarity as SSS test. Hope so you have understood.